Hello, my name is Ganesh Dange. My today's topic is Angular compiler. The Angular compiler is a key component of the Angular framework, and that plays to essential role of transforming Angular application form to raw code into optimized JavaScript that can be executed in the browser. It is responsible for converting Angular templates and components and other metadata into executable JavaScript code. This process helps Angular to effectively manage the application structures and improve performance and make it more maintainable. What is the Angular compiler? Uh, at its one, the application structure improves performance and make it more maintainable. What is the Angular compiler is a tool that to perform to major task. Templates compilation. Angular templates which are written in HTML are not a not a directly executable by the browser. The compiler takes to the templates and convert the into JavaScript that effectively interact to the with Angular change in direction and rendering systems. Componentization is to each component it more than just HTML templates. It also includes business logic, metadata like decorators and styling. An Angular compiler process the components metadata generates to the JavaScript code and interact with the Angular rendering engine. Angular compiler please the Angular compiler and Angular compiler analyze the application components, the templates, and compile them into highly optimized JavaScript code. Compilation and beneficial because its result is in faster rendering in the browser and small bundle sizes. As much of the templates components before and rendered while offered to the more flexibility and development. It comes with the trade-off the slower rendering and large bundle sizes. Compile process everything and client side. How does the Angular compile works when the Angular application the compile process everything on the client side? How does Angular reads to annotation provides to Angular decorators like components like @ng model and process the applications executable code. The templates compile and generate a JavaScript function, and Angular can use the create, update, and DOM elements effectively code generation. The compile of generates efficient JavaScript code that Angular uses update and maintaining view updates. Why is the Angular compiler important? Performance and optimization. One of the maintain benefits to Angular compile